Hey guys, after coming back from Yokosuka trip from the strawberry farm, look what I found. My full of tires are full of mud, just like the mud cakes. Even after running a couple times, the dirt mud itself won't take it off. So I have to take this car to the car washer, one of the special one at the gas stations. So for this time, I picked the expensive one, which like a combo cover everything. To see going through car wash will be take up the dirt out of the tires and clean up my car. It's gonna be a very long, lengthy the process. Probably it's gonna take about 10 minutes. It's amazing that the machine will takes 10 minutes to clean up the car. And all you have to do is just stay in the car, the weight, and how much it will clean. If not, I have to find other way of to clean up the car. This gas station upgraded the automated car washing machines. So it got better than before, and the cost is raised up too. So it's gonna, if you combo deal I pick, it's gonna cost like a 2,600 yens. But I think it's worse. But I'll find out later how clean my car will be. And this is after the trip from the Yokosuka. And I guess the mat, when you leave the mat, just like for a couple weeks, probably it's gonna be very hard to take it out. So after coming back to the Tokyo area, before going back home, stop by this gas station to clean up the extra work after enjoy the strawberry farm the day. Oh, this is after the fact that I guess it's visiting the farm. You can avoid is all the road is not the concrete or the regular dirt full that your car is gonna be the full of mud. Because yesterday it was tons of rain, it was raining, but today it's just a dry up today. But at the farm, the dirt is full of yesterday's rain. And as you see it, all the process is very thorough. All the I think it's automated, like towels coming from the top. And if you look at the back, this is like a horizontal, like a cleaner. And on the back, there are the two vertical ones. So you clean up this one. You see in the middle? Yeah, this is like a horizontal ones. Yeah, this is a horizontal one. Will be clean up the side way. And the vertical ones clean up from the side and the back too. So since like today is like a Sunday, in front of me there are the 4 cars waited. So it took me probably 30 minutes or more until my turn is come. All you have to do is using NL's like a smartphone apps that Yeah, you have to use like a QR code to scan it to the machines. Then I'm good to go to use this cleaner machines. I wish I could like capture what's going on from the outside, but when you leave the car, it's hard to get back into the car. So you need to have like somebody who need to do the videotaping from outside. I wish I'd like to see it, what's going on from the outside. Yeah. So not only the combo menu, there are 4 different type of menus. So if you feel like a combo menu is expensive, so you can choose the second one or the third one, the fourth one, depends on your need. So since I need to take off all the darts out of the car, especially as the 4th tire around the dart, just to pick up the driving at the farmer's road. I have to do the special care to take it out. And I depends on the Japanese gas station. I think because of the space, not every single Japanese gas station have one of these type of car washers. But since this location is close to Haneda Airport, it has plenty of space. This location has the similar type of car washing machine for the huge truck too. So this section is for the regular car. On the rail sections, they have a truck to clean it up. Yeah, I never seen as a huge truck. Put it in the trucks, and the machine. Once you put the coins in, the machine will take all the way. In addition to that, there's 2 new feature I found. They're gonna charge you for 400 mls. The one, let's say, the very thorough cleaning. Another one's very thoroughly dry ups. So in order to try the 2 of them, I have to add the 800 mls. But for this time, I don't pick it up. For next time, I like to see what's the difference. So for this one, they have it's almost like a 10-minute. It looks like this is like a last portion of cleaning up. The air is coming out. Even though I have to go through it, all I have to do is show the receipt of the service I use. Then this gas station will give me 2 pair of wet towels, and another one for the cleaning up the tires. So totally the 3 of them. So after go through this like a 10-minute process, I'm gonna move this car to the another section and to just park and open up the door and just wipe up all the leftover of the waters. Well, just look for the signs, but through this the videotaping, because all the indicator, it's you won't be able to see what's saying. But after hearing the noise, once all the machines stop and ready, the front LED sign will be show stop and just proceed. Okay, so now it's done.